Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Adalo app templates for iOS and Android step by step clearly. To download Adalo app templates for iOS and Android, start by navigating to the Adalo website. Once you are on the home page, locate the Templates section in the menu. Click on the Templates link to explore the available options. You will see a variety of pre-designed app templates. Browse through the categories to find the specific app template that fits your needs. When you find a template you like, click on it to view more details. Review the description, features, and screenshots provided. If you are satisfied with your choice, look for the Get Started or Use Template button. Click on this button to proceed to the download section. You may need to log into your Adalo account, or create one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, select the plan that suits you if prompted. After selecting the plan, confirm your download by clicking the appropriate button. The template will begin downloading in a zip file format. Access the downloaded zip file on your device and extract its contents. You will find the template files along with instructions on how to set it up. Open the setup instructions to guide you through the next steps. After reviewing the instructions, open the Adalo platform. Import the template files into your Adalo account. Customize the app according to your needs, making adjustments as required. Once you're done with customization, you can prepare for app publishing. Follow Adalo's guidelines for publishing your app on iOS and Android platforms. Monitor the progress and make necessary tweaks as you go along. You are now ready to launch your app using the Adalo template you downloaded. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.